If you're looking for the best self-tanners for fair skin, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner Tanning Lotion. The Beauty by Earth Self-Tanning Lotion is a vegan-friendly, cruelty-free self-tanning lotion. It is completely organic and does not come with the risk of skin cancer, sunburns, or early aging. This self-tanning lotion gives a nice sun-kissed glow to the skin without any streaks, orange hues, dark spots, or blotches. It contains ingredients like organic coconut oil, Japanese green tea, and shea butter that care for your skin. This self-tanning lotion imparts a beautiful, healthy tan without you having to expose your skin to the harmful UV rays or dangerous chemicals. It is buildable and can help you achieve the right shade of tan for your skin. It does not contain parabens, phthalates, and other chemical-based ingredients. Instead, it contains non-nanominerals that protect the skin. Make sure you moisturize your skin before applying the tanning lotion. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Tanceuticals Self-Tanning Lotion. The Tanceuticals Self-Tanning Lotion is one of the top self-tanning lotions on the market. It has an exclusive formula that leaves a natural and smooth tan over the skin. It leaves no streaks, blotches, or orange hues. This tanning lotion uses acai berry, mango butter, and vitamin E to moisturize your skin and leave it glowing. This tanning lotion is easy to use and dries fast without leaving any marks on clothes or bedspreads. It lasts for a week without any need for reapplication. It does not contain any parabens or mineral oils and is not tested on animals. It has a coconutty fragrance and doesn't use any artificial coloring. Apply the product on dry skin and massage in a circular motion for best results. The number 3 position is held by Golden Star Beauty Self-Tan Serum. The Golden Star Beauty Self-Tan Serum imparts a natural golden bronze tan to your face. This tanner also moisturizes the skin. It doesn't leave any streaks or blotches and has no artificial smell. It also doesn't turn skin orange. It is not greasy and leaves the skin feeling hydrated. It has anti-aging and rejuvenating properties that help nourish the skin and improve its elasticity. It is also non-comedogenic and doesn't cause acne. It contains USDA-certified oils and extracts, vitamin B5, aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and intense moisturizers. The product is paraben-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. When applying the lotion, avoid the lips and the hairline. Do not apply any makeup products before or after application. Next, at number 4 we have Vita Liberata Phenomenal Tan Mousse. Vita Liberata's self-tanning mousse contains organic extracts with zero toxins. It uses a fast-absorbing mousse formula and phenomenal technology that make the tan last for long. This mousse also moisturizes the skin along with imparting a golden tan. It is streak-free, blotch-free, and doesn't leave the skin with an orange hue. It doesn't contain any parabens, alcohols, petrochemicals, sulfates, silicones, harsh chemicals, or fake coloring agents that affect the skin. It contains aloe vera, raspberries, ginkgo biloba, and liqueurs that nourish and moisturize your skin and protect it. Do not use moisturizing shower creams for 24 hours before applying this mousse. It is better to use the product on moisturized skin. The number 5 position is held by Bronze Tan Self-Tanning Mousse. The existing Beauty Self-Tanning Mousse leaves a bronze finish with a glow. It sets within a day and is the darkest on the second day. It does not leave any blotches, marks, or orange hues. This bronze mousse has a vanilla fragrance and uses an exclusive formula to leave the skin feeling revitalized. It is formulated with natural ingredients of the highest quality and can be used by people of all genders and ages. Once applied, if you want a medium or light tan, wash off the mousse after 30 minutes. Apply it to clean and moisturize skin for the best results. The number 6 position is dominated by Fake Baked Gradual Self-Tan Lotion. The Fake Baked Gradual Self-Tan Lotion is perfect for oily or sensitive skin. It dries fast and does not have a sticky feel. It has an easy glide formula for better coverage. It comes with a Show Where It Goes Cosmetics color guide to help beginner tanners. It provides a natural-looking light tan that darkens with repeated applications. Fake Bake uses an exclusive patented self-tanning formula that suits most skin tones and skin types. It uses dihydroxyacetone, DHA, DMI, and erythroulose, which darken the melanin cells lying at the top of your skin. These tanning agents also give your skin a long-lasting tan. This lotion can be applied like a moisturizer. Wait for a few minutes before getting dressed to allow the lotion to dry. This lotion does not turn the skin orange or stain clothes. It is free of parabens and DNDM-hydantoin. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with Tan-Luxe, the Body Illuminating Self-Tan Drops. Tan-Luxe uses caffeine to firm and tone the skin. It helps your skin develop a natural-looking radiant glow. It evens out the skin tone and helps soothe any redness. It contains naturally derived raspberry seed oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E that moisturize the skin. It also contains cellulose complex that firms the skin and reduces cellulite. You can use this self-tan concentrate with any moisturizer or body butter for a natural-looking, golden tan. To use it, mix 2 drops with your regular moisturizer, serum, or oil. Spread this combination over your body to get an even tan. The more drops you add, the darker your tan will be. 2 drops will leave you with a light tan, 4 drops will give you a natural sun-kissed tan, 8 drops will leave you with a deep golden tan, and 12 drops will leave you with a bronze tan. The number 8 position is held by Saint Tropez Self-Tanning Bronzing Water Mousse. Saint Tropez is a highly popular brand that is often used by celebrities. It leaves the skin with a natural golden tan. It uses a lightweight, clean water foam formula paired with naturally derived tanning actives. This leaves your skin tan naturally and leave it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It doesn't leave any orange hues and is vegan-friendly. This bronzing water mousse gives a transparent and wearable tan. It does not transfer onto clothing and develops into a natural-looking golden tan in 8 hours. Apply the mousse and wait for 60 seconds for it to dry before getting dressed. It takes 8 hours for full color development. You can sport the tan without washing the mousse off. To keep the tan, apply the mousse daily. Next at number 9 we have Sun Laboratories Tan Overnight Self-Tanning Lotion. The Sun Laboratories Tan Overnight Self-Tanning Lotion is made with natural ingredients that not only impart a natural-looking golden tan to your skin but also rejuvenate and hydrate it and improve skin elasticity. It does not leave any streaks or blotches. It is best to use this tanning lotion after a shower, exfoliation, and a shave. The aim is to remove dead skin cells before tanning the skin. As you apply the lotion, massage it into the skin in a circular motion. Wait for at least 5 hours before taking a shower. It takes 8 hours for the tan to fully color your skin. Apply lesser lotion on the elbows, knees, and knuckles as they take in more color. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Tantal Self-Tan Towelette Classic 10 Count. Mastering the self-tanning application process takes trial and error, with an emphasis on error. Eliminate streaks and make the experience a whole lot easier with these tan towelettes, which are miniature towels infused with a clear self-tanning formula that can be applied in a circular motion to your body and face after cleansing and exfoliation. These towels are formulated especially for fair and medium skin tones and will provide a light glow at first that you can build upon for a few days until you reach your desired shade. Word to the wise, wash your hands after using these because they will stain. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.